My name is Lance and I have this new actual steam train and it has actual steam coming out of it. So I did a great job. So I can open it, but how do I open this thing? You guys know how? I had packages before. Alright, so you're gonna see me open this. Okay. Now this. Oh my goodness. What is this big dude? Oh my goodness. Look at this. You see this? I like trains, so they gave me this. This is what we're gonna open. We're gonna check it out, okay? Let's open it. Let's open it together, okay? Okay. Gotta pull this out. Oh my goodness! I can't believe it. Whoa, man. Now that is cool. Getting ready for the remote control. Okay, let's get it ready. Okay, so guys, look at my new train set. Look, you wanna see the train move? But the cool thing about this is it has actual steam coming out of it. Moves on the track and there's a little tunnel. Watch it again. Okay guys, I'm gonna put in oil. So I'm so excited what is going to happen. Now it's gonna have actual steam coming out of it. 3, 2, 1, go! You see that light on? On the track, don't get dizzy. Now, yeah, you see? Look, this is a whole train set, and this is the tracks, and this is a guy, and maybe that's a girl and a guy, and maybe that's a witch. I don't know. Maybe that's a guy, and I have all these buildings. You see? Oh, sorry, man. Okay, so should I start again, or you like seeing this? Oh, okay. You like seeing it. Wait! Tell me your name. What's your name? Okay, my name is Lanson. Well, you have a cool name, okay? Guys, you love it? Okay, the end of my video. And thanks for watching. Goodbye. For watching, kids. Bye.